see. Oh, another box. That's heavy.
Did Grandma send you a present?
Present?
From Grandma and Grandpa?
Grandma and Grandpa, mine. You move that one. Grandpa down there. Grandpa down there.
Okay.
I can open it.
Hold on a second, let me open it.
Dang. That's a huge box.
It's a huge box?
Yeah. That's brown box for me. Is that for Zach?
Mm-hmm.
Zach likes it. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna see. So good. Hey, I got a new picture. Oh. I got a name. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's this? Look at it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
What's this? Okay, again? Oh, cartoon game. I got cartoon again. The new one.
What else is in there?
Oats? Oh, yeah. I got it for batteries.
Batteries.
Yeah, green battery for the dancing queen. Oh, look at I got. What is it?
A charger?
A charger. Oh,
I think your grandma spoiled you.
oh, keypad.
I think she went overboard again.
I did this.
Did you get the Leap Pad?
Yeah, look at that. Look at that leap pad. I got.
Did you want that?
Yeah. This
Can you
one-
tell Grandma and Grandpa thank you?
Thank you on this stuff. Can you open it?
Yeah, I'll open it for you.
I know.